So, hi everyone, once again, welcome back to our online learning platform SP Lessons Competitive Exam. So, today we are going to discuss the most important subtopic of quantitative aptitude section, that is nothing but LCM and HCF. So, before entering into LCM and HCF, what is all about quantitative aptitude? So, let's check that one. Quantitative aptitude is an important section in the employment related competitive exams in India. In particular, exams like IBPS, SPI, and other bank related employment exams have reasoning questions along with English language and quantitative aptitude. Quantitative aptitude plays a very crucial role in every competitive exam. The quantitative aptitude section has questions related to profit and loss, percentage and discount, simple equations, time and work and quadratic equations, pipes and cisterns, LCM and HCF, etc. LCM and HCF important terms. What is LCM? Lowest common multiple is shortly known as LCM. The least or smallest common multiple of any two or more given natural numbers are termed as LCM. For example, LCM of 10, 15 and 20 is 60. What is HCF? Highest common factor, which is shortly known as HCF. The largest or greatest factor common to any two or more given natural numbers is termed as HCF of given numbers. For example, when we multiply 2 into 2, we will get 4. When we multiply 3 into 2, we will get 6. When we multiply 4 into 2, we will get 8. So, in all these numbers, 2 is a common factor. So, here is the highest common factor of 4, 6 and 8 is 2. Both HCF and LCF of given numbers can be found by using two methods. They are division method and prime factorization. What are multiples? Multiple are series of numbers that are exactly divisible by a particular number. Example, 8, 12, 16, 12 are the multiples of 4. What are factors? Factors for a given number are the list of numbers that would divide the larger number without leaving any remainder except one and number itself. Example, for 12 the factors would be 2, 3, 4, 6. For 6 to 12, 18, 24, 30 will be called as multiples of 6. For 24 to 6 and 12 are factors of 24. What is LCM, lowest common multiple? As the name suggests, LCM is the lowest common multiple of two or more natural numbers. For example, for 15 and 20, 60 is LCM. Don't worry, we will explain how we calculated this. What is HCF? Highest common factor or greatest common divisor, which is shortly known as GCD. The largest, nothing but highest common factor of two or more numbers will be called as HCF of the number. Example, for 12 and 15, 3 will be the HCF. Prime factors. These are unique least primary numbers, prime numbers that divide the greater number. Example, for 22, 2, 5 are the prime factors. We'll explain how to get these. Calculating prime factors. In this method, you take the lowest prime number and see if the greater number is divisible by it. If it is not divisible, then you move to the higher prime number. Let us show you how to calculate the prime factors for numbers step by step. Prime factors of 12. Lowest prime number 2, 12 divided by 2 equal to 6. Again 6 divisible by 2 we will get 3. Again 3 divisible by 2 is not possible, so next prime number is 3. Again 3 by 3 we will get 1. We can write this as 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3. So here 2 has repeated 2 times, so we have represented it as a square format. So 2 power 2 into 3. Second one, least common multiple, LCM. LCM is least common multiple, the smallest number which is exactly divisible by all the given numbers. There are two methods to find LCM of given numbers. They are, the first one is prime factorization method, second one is division method. How to find LCM of given numbers by prime factorization method? Follow the steps below to find LCM of given numbers by prime factorization method. First one, express the given numbers as product of their prime factors. Second one, Find highest index in all the prime factors of given numbers. The product of all the prime factors with respect to highest indices is the LCM of given numbers. Example, LCM of 14, 42, 36. First one, express the numbers as product of prime factors. Those are 2, 2, 14, 2 asterisk 7, 36, 3 asterisk 2, 42, 2 asterisk 3 asterisk 7. The highest index of 2, 3, 7 are 2, 2, 1 respectively. The product of all the prime factors with the respective highest indices. LCM of 14, 36, 42 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 asterisk 3 asterisk 7. It will give 252. How to find LCM of given numbers by division method? Follow the steps below to find LCM of given numbers by division method. The first one is divide all the numbers with the common prime. The second thing is the division process continues until there is no common factor to the numbers. Third one, the product of divisors and remaining the numbers with no common factor is the LCM of given numbers. Example, how to find out LCM of 12, 98, 188. The product of divisors and remaining numbers are 2 into 2 into 3 into 49 into 47. This is a similar like a division. We will get hence the LCM of 12, 98 and 88 equal to 27,636. Finding LCM of two numbers. Let us take an example HCF of 15 and 20. First we list out all the prime factors of each. 15 equal to 3 into 5. 20 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 equal to 22 into 5. Then multiply each factor by the greatest number of times it occurs in either number. 2 occurs 2 times, 3 occurs 1 time, 5 occurs 1 time. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 5 into 1 equal to 60. LCM of given fractions. Example, find the LCM of the fractions. 2 by 3, 7 by 18, 11 by 12. According to the formula, LCM of numerators 2, 7, 11. As the numerators are all prime numbers, LCM of numerator is 2 asterisk 7 asterisk 11 equal to 154. HCF for denominator 3, 18, 12. So HCF of denominators 3, 18, 12 equal to 3. 3 equal to 3 power 1. 8 equal to 2 asterisk 3 power 2. 12 equal to 2 power 2 into asterisk 3. So HCF of denominators 3 into 8 into 12 equal to 3. Therefore, LCM of given fractions equal to LCM of numerators by HCF of denominators, which gives 154 by 3. How to compare fractions by using LCM of denominators? Comparison of fractions. Find the LCM of the demonstrator in given fractions. Second one, find the resultant fraction for all the numbers with above LCM as denominator. 3. Arrange the corresponding fractions in the order of their numerators of resultant fractions. Example, arrange the fractions in descending order. We will get 7 by 3, 12 by 5, 1 by 9. The LCM of denominators are 3, 5, 9 equal to 3 square into 5. We will give 45. Convert each fraction with the LCM as equivalent denominator fraction is 7 by 3 equal to x by 45. It gives x equal to 105. Fraction is 105 by 45. 12 by 5 equal to y by 45. It implies y equal to 108. Fraction is 108 by 45. 1 by 9 equal to y by 45. Y equal to 5. Fraction is 5 by 45. So similarly 108 by 45 greater than 105 by 45 greater than 5 by 45. So the corresponding fractions are 12 by 5 greater than 7 by 3 greater than 1 by 9. Highest common factor HCF. HCF is the highest common factor or also known as greatest common divisor. The greatest number which exactly divides all the given numbers. There are two methods to find HCF of given numbers. They are first one prime factorization method, second one division method. How to find HCF of given numbers by prime factorization method? Follow the steps below to find HCF of given numbers by prime factorization method. First one, express the given numbers as product of their prime factors. Second one, check for the common prime factors and find least index of each common prime factors in the given numbers. Third one, the product of all common prime factors with the respect to least indices HCF of given numbers. So I have just explained HCF. We will explain in our next videos what is all about HCF and how to calculate it, and some examples related to HCF and SCF with the latest examples. So you can follow us on Facebook, that is https www.facebook.com/splessons. And if you have any doubts, you can send a mail as careers@itulsinfo.com.